Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Ford Mustang. For the month of September, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers over $2,000 in savings on this vehicle that has never been reported in any accidents and has 52,071 miles on it. This rear-wheel drive two-door convertible comes with a 3.7 liter V6 engine, 17 by 7.5 inch sparkle silver painted aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have a standard Ford radio, our cruise control, and our push to talk. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.